Brooklyn Chinatown. Let's go, 8th Avenue. Let's do a time check. 5:57 p.m. Let's go. Great weather. It's about 80 degrees Fahrenheit. There's more people up there. We're kind of at the thin part. But let's go. This is 8th Avenue. This is where the party at. Brooklyn, Chinatown. God bless you, man.
水不要了，水这不是我的。
The next block, there's a lot more people. Today, it's a little thin over here. Okay, we gotta wait for the cars. All right, I think we got it. No, not yet. All right, we got it, we got it. Let's go. Yeah, we usually walk in this store a little bit. We'll walk in once real quick. Not really go all the way in. Oh, it's nice and cool in here. It's a toy store. Nice and cool in there. E-B-I-S-U. Ibisu. Something like that. Ibisu. That's the name of the store. Japanese, I think. A lot of these toy stores look Japanese to me. They might be. Could be Chinese though. I could be wrong. Oh, nice breeze right now. Wow, the breeze is so nice. Okay, yeah, so it gets a little more busy up here when we walk through this area. You gotta watch out for these rolling carts. A lot of rolling carts and umbrellas too. So right now, this is the busy block, maybe the busiest block here, maybe. Did a lot of walking on the other side. Yeah, it's Chinatown, so people gravitate more towards the shade, less sunlight. All right. Okay, can we go? Yeah, we're good. Okay. Can't go yet. Maybe you can go. I have to hurry. Whoa, hurry. Had it. Got it. Got it. Rocking the street food over here. Pretty cool. So we got all nuts in here. Let's take a quick peek. What's up? How are you? Wow, a lot of nuts.
Hello.
Hey, what's up? Cool.
Yes, how can I help you?
A
You
lot
can
of
try
nuts.
everything you want in there.
Oh, nice. Very cool. Awesome.
这个他走了。
Yeah, just checking. Just browsing. Nice, nice.
不用打。
Oh, my bad. Very cool. Wow, so many nuts in there. I should have given him a card. Let me tell him that on YouTube. I should have gave them a card. I'm thinking right now. But it's okay. Over there. All right, Brooklyn Chinatown in his house.